How much do we really understand about the universe? I mean, sure, we've got the internet, electric cars, and pizza delivery on demand, so we're obviously doing some things right. But when it comes to the grand scheme of things, like the actual universe, we're kind of clueless. It's like we're ants, standing next to a skyscraper, scratching our tiny heads and wondering what's going on. Here's the kicker. What if we really are the ants? We like to think we're smart, but what if our brains just aren't capable of understanding the real nature of the universe? Just like ants don't know about humans, Wi-Fi, or Netflix, poor things, there might be entire layers of reality that we have no clue about. We could be living in a universe that's way more complex than we're even remotely equipped to comprehend. Take time, for example. We think of time, as this nice, simple line. Past, present, future. But nope, it's not that easy. Time is more like a stretchy piece of rubber that warps and bends, depending on where you are and how fast you're moving. It gets even crazier when you throw black holes into the mix. Time slows down when you're near one. Imagine spending an hour near a black hole, and by the time you get back to Earth, it's been a century. Talk about missing all the good Netflix shows. And then there's space. Space isn't just sitting there, it's expanding. The universe is getting bigger by the second. But here's the brain-busting part. What exactly is the universe expanding into? It's not like a balloon expanding into the air around it, because the universe is literally everything. There's no outside of the universe. So what's it expanding into? Yeah, our ant brains are really struggling with this one. These are just the concepts we're trying to wrap our heads around. We think we know what time is. We think we know what space is. But the truth is, we're just poking around in the dark. For all we know, there could be things out there that make time and space seem like child's play. Things we can't even imagine yet. Just like ants can't comprehend that they live in a world with skyscrapers and pizza delivery, there are probably entire levels of reality that we haven't even dreamed of. But let's be optimistic for a second. What happens when we start figuring all this out? Imagine if we finally unlock the secrets of time and space. We could manipulate reality itself, travel faster than light, maybe even figure out how to live forever. We'd be like cosmic wizards, bending the rules of the universe to our will. Cool, right? But here's the catch. The more we learn, the riskier things get. We cracked the code on splitting the atom, and the next thing we knew, we had nuclear bombs. What happens when we start messing with the concepts like dark matter or the fabric of space itself? One wrong move and suddenly we're in big trouble. Like, whoops, accidentally destroyed the universe trouble. It's like opening Pandora's box. Except this time, we might not be able to put everything back in. And while we're busy trying to figure out these big mysteries, let's not forget that there could be entire dimensions or realities that are completely beyond our reach. We might really be like ants living in a world with humans, completely oblivious to what's really going on. As we push the limits of human comprehension, we might find answers, or we might realize just how little we actually understand. So what's next? Will we ever truly comprehend the universe? Or are we destined to stay in the dark, like ants, forever unaware of the skyscrapers towering above us? The more we learn about the nature of time, space, and the universe, the more we risk unlocking powers we might not be ready for. But hey, at least we'll be entertained until then. Just don't let us mess up Netflix. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Are we on the brink of understanding the universe, or are our brains just too small to get it? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations into the future of humanity.